Good afternoon, my friends, and welcome. We are here today at Universal Orlando. Yes, I'm back. And I couldn't resist because there was another massive update around the park for HHN. And I had to come and get this for you guys, man. Also, there is some new merchandise that was out. Now, I am here later in the afternoon, so I don't know if this merchandise will be in the stores when we get there. But we're gonna see. We're gonna go check it out and see if we can find that merchandise. I may get it myself. But enough talking, I'm too excited. Let's go ahead and check out all the new props and dive in. Wow, it looks beautiful, doesn't it, guys? Finally, Halloween Horror Nights is up. That's how you know it's getting really close. I hope they do a little bit more to it. I was hoping for Otis to be out here. Maybe it will still be out here, but nevertheless, this looks beautiful. Honestly, guys, this may have been the most massive update they've had pretty much while I've been recording all this HHN stuff. I mean, this update, there's a lot in each scare zone, actually. So I'm excited. There's a lot to uncover. So let's get to the first props. Right here, they have finally one of the point of sales booths where you order all your food and drinks. They have a couple of these up at all of them though. So that is only one of them. We'll get to the next one. They have the Twilight Taverns booth up also. The Twisted Tater booth is up. We do have the Ivan's booth, and same thing with the other Ghostbuster booth. Now, this one actually has a really unique meaning to it. It's pretty much like another Easter egg. So they have Ray's Occult Books and Melody Diner at the bottom. Now, Ray's Occult Books was in the first Ghostbuster movie. That was the bookstore for Ray's bookstore. Now, Melody Diner, if you do remember, if you watch Ghostbuster Empire, which is the theme this year for the house, Melody was the ghost in Ghostbuster Empire. She was the one who convinced Phoebe to release Garaka. So that's pretty cool that those are the two similarities. One is the newer Ghostbuster movie, one is the first one. Pretty cool connection there. Looks like they are actually testing this Ghostbuster booth now. You can hear it. You see the blue lights right here. You see the red light. It's actually blinking red, if I'm not mistaken. No, that's just the camera. But it is red right here. Got the menus going. Pretty cool. They got the blue lights going right there also. Pretty cool. That was a pretty cool connection there on those booths. I feel like every time I come, they add something extra for us to figure out. But what I'm here for is the scare zones in some of the houses, because they have added a lot of new props that I want to talk to you guys about. Now, first one I'm going to go to is Torture Faire, because I heard there was so much here, and we're gonna get to it right now. All right, so we are here at Torture Faire. There's a couple things I want to talk about. Now, as you see the cord right here, I didn't realize this the other day. This cord is actually tied to something here, which means this will be probably mechanically controlled, because that cord goes to this body that's in the bag. I can see this body getting dipped up and down like it's getting tortured in water or something. So that was pretty cool. And then they have also added some lights in the back behind the king and queen chair, and they've added some triggers right here, which may trigger that to open up and close. Maybe, we'll see. And then they also added a trigger right here. So they got triggers on each side. This trigger probably controls this to go up and down, and that trigger probably controls this casket closing, open and closing. So pretty cool, but there's a lot more. They have also added this right here. Now, if you look very closely, you'll see that there is a hand right inside there. So this looks like somebody is either nailed to a cross or something. And then underneath that, this kind of scared the hell out of me, I'm not gonna lie. I thought this was real. They had a boot, but then they have this bird that's right here. That scared the hell out of me when I checked it out the first time, I'm gonna be honest. But this is pretty cool. And what it says right here, the breaking wheel. Oh yeah, this is definitely something regarding like somebody getting nailed to a cross or to a wheel maybe. And then we have the Brazen Bull. If you guys have ever watched any old-fashioned TV shows, any medieval TV shows, This is pretty much like a torture chamber in itself. So you see how they have this right here. You're supposed to put somebody in there and it kind of cooks them for hours in. So that's what this contraction is. That's pretty cool that they added that. They're thinking out of the box this year on this one, man. I'm not gonna lie, this scare zone is starting to grow on me now. Oh man, I love this one right here. Aim and maim. I guarantee you there is a body inside that, and I'm pretty sure you get to aim. They're aiming like bow and arrows at the body. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So I wonder if they'll actually have somebody acting this out and actually shooting at it. That'll be awesome. But this is pretty cool, man. I'm gonna be honest. I'm really starting to like the scare zone. Now I know we've always seen this one, Torture Goods, but next to it they have added this bad boy up. I'm not sure what this will become to. I think they have more work to do on this one. It's called the Blood Eagle. I don't know what this will be, but I feel like they're gonna add a little something more to this because it looks pretty empty, if you ask me. And then we have this alley right here that everybody's been waiting on. They have finally done some decoration to it. Be quiet, exit only. So we know this is quiet place. And then as you see right here, they do have a booth up. Oh, I wonder, can I get inside there? Let's see what's inside. Let me see. No, you can't get in there. This is pretty cool though, guys. And there's more stuff on the other side that I'm gonna go ahead and show you. We do have this little booth over here right across from it. I guarantee you that this will probably be like a small entertainment or a scare actor, or maybe it's, I don't know. You guys tell me what you think it will be here. And then we do have another POS booth out here for the quiet place. And there's other decorations. Honestly, I think they're gonna have a little bit more stuff here because they have some stuff covered up in there. So I can't wait to see what it looks like once it's finished. Wow, was that a lot? Man, there's so much. I haven't even got 1/4 of the way through the park yet. I just got here. So I'm telling you, they did a massive update from yesterday. Pretty cool, man. We got a lot more to get to though. Also, quick little update. I do have confirmation that this will be in a tent. And I was right, it wasn't a building last year, it was not in a tent. So they're changing it up, and I heard that this tent is actually bigger than a building. So I'm pretty excited about this one now. Well guys, they have actually removed the mini bar they had right here near Blumhouse. So you know what that means. Alcatraz bar should be up for HHN. And I can't wait because this is my favorite bar of the entire park. Now we enter the Blumhouse, and as you see here, there was a pretty unique update on all these trusses. They have added a black covering over all of them. This is pretty cool, but I have something else that I wanted to show you that's in San Francisco that I think is actually even cooler. All right guys, so I am in the San Francisco candy store, and I want to go ahead and show you guys this because I'm pretty sure it's been missed a lot, but this is pretty cool. They have the Major Suites door inside here. They redid all the decal, the door, repainted it. I don't know why they would put this in here. I mean, it makes sense, Major Suites, but it's not something a lot of people will see. But nevertheless, it's in here if you want to come see it. Pretty cool. I feel like Universal's kind of trying to play a game with all the content creators, putting stuff in different locations, making us trying to figure it out. But you know what? It makes my job a lot more fun with all these Easter eggs, hidden items, hidden doors in a candy shop. But it's pretty fun nevertheless. I mean, it gives me something to do, so. Check this out, guys. So we're in the lagoon right now on the bridge, and they have that tent up, which may be another food cart or maybe a drink station. And then they have another POS booth up right here. Pretty cool. And somebody told me that this could be for Goblin's Feast, which makes sense. You know what? It makes sense. I thought this would be for Universal Monsters Eternal Bloodline, but the Goblin Feast, it definitely gives me Goblin vibes. I can definitely see that with all the greenery everywhere. I can see it. I can definitely see it. Wow, so right by the Fear Factor stage where Nightmare Fuel will be performing, they have added some TV screens, and it looks like this will be where the portals will be at. Pretty cool. And I will be back to see if this will be lit up again tonight and if they will be performing. But first portal up, pretty cool, guys. I just got some awesome footage over by Simpsons of the Sprung tents. First off, we got to see Universal Eternal Bloodlines. I got a good little view of it. And also on top of that, if you see right there, there is actually a light beaming onto Slaughter Sinema. So it looks like they're playing the projector. That was pretty cool. I mean, I've never caught that, so it looks like they're testing everything out today. I was happy to catch that. Another thing, if you see here in this video, I was also able to catch the Museum Deadly Exhibits facade right to the right of that Sprung tent. I thought that was pretty cool also, so I'm happy. There's gonna be more stuff up. I will be back again, probably in the next 2 days. I'll be here tomorrow actually for Password Appreciation Day. So I'll come back and film it again. There's gonna be more stuff up coming very soon because HHN is literally in about 2 weeks. Look at this, guys. A snack bar, Cary Drive-In. Looks like this is part of Slaughter Sinema. Pretty cool theming. I have a feeling there's gonna be a lot more stuff up now showing. So this is, here you go, guys. Here's the snack bar. I knew it was something as far as food or drinks. I'm very interested to see what they will have here. I'm a foodie, so I'm trying everything. And now we enter Swamp of the Undead. I heard there was some more new props, and on top of that, there was something in those tarps that I want to show you guys. So over here by the alligators, where it looks like they're eating somebody pretty much. How I know that? There is a shoe right here underneath this tarp. Pretty cool. I don't know what's that right there. Is that part of the alligator? But there's definitely a shoe right there. And then we have a small update on the treehouse. Let me know if you guys see it. If you can't, good for you, because it is disgusting. They have the crappiest underwear right here. It is disgusting. Don't know why they have that there. But that's the small update they have on that treehouse. It looks like somebody literally their pants, but it's not for me. It seems they have added some more greenery over here. I still don't think they're done because these lights are still kind of showing, but maybe they are because the lights do have to show so they can flash them. So maybe they are done with this area. I think they'll add a little bit more, but I could be wrong. Check this out, guys. They finally fixed Monstros. It did not have the R, I think it was last time, but they definitely fixed it. Now, they also have a POS booth over here.
Before it was just here. Yeah.
And they have the candles lit up right here tonight. They weren't lit up last time I was here, but that's pretty cool. Looks like we'll have a Monstros bar, maybe food also. Pretty cool. Look at this, guys. We have a huge update in Battery Park. They have put down a bunch of stuff. They've cleared this area out and made, seems possibly a bar, maybe a bar, but it's pretty cool. I'm thinking this may be like a live entertainment bar spot. That's what I'm thinking it should be, but we'll see. And then right here, another little update. I'm not sure what's gonna go here, but I'm very interested in what's gonna be in this area now. It gives me live entertainment with food and drinks. That's what it gives me. That's exactly what I'm getting. I cannot wait to see the iconic Mel's Die-In. I cannot wait to see the iconic Mel's Die-In. They do it every HHN. Very iconic. Can't wait for it, man. Wow, a lot of updates. I'm about to go ahead and check out Five and Dime real quick because I want to see if there's going to be any Little Boo merch and also some other new merchandise that I wanted to check out. So let's go ahead and dive into there real quick. Look at this, guys. The Little Boo merch is still here. It looks like they restocked. I heard these sold out very fast when they put them up yesterday. There's some pillows right here, plush pillows. It looks like this one is $30. And then they have the little boo you can put on your shoulder. And this is coming at $20. Oh, that's actually not too bad. I might get this for my daughter. She might like this. It's not too scary. Maybe I'll get this for her. All right, guys. So I did end up getting the little boo for my daughter. I think she's gonna love this. You can put it on your shoulder. There's a magnet that goes underneath the shirt, and it'll stick on your shirt the entire time. I won't do it because I want to give this to her, so I'm not gonna do it right now. But I will show you guys when she's wearing it tomorrow, when we go to pass holder night. Then, if you come to Five and Dime, I forgot about this, but it is pass holder appreciation day. They give you this button if you are a pass holder. You got to go to Five and Dime to go ahead and get this. And on top of that, if you are going to pass holder night tomorrow and the 17th, you can get another one, an exclusive one for pass holders only that night if you're at that event. So I can't wait. I'm gonna share that with you guys once I get it also. But this button is pretty cool. I'm gonna be honest. I like this. It's gonna be a souvenir. I'm not gonna wear it. It's just gonna be a little souvenir. All right, so nothing is going on at Nightmare Fuel, but I did catch this. They are going to have another bar behind Lombard's, which is right behind me actually. As you see right here, there's a bar that's set up in the back, so they are getting that together. Can't wait to see what becomes of it. But I also heard that this will be one of the locations for the early Scream ticket, which I will be doing a video on that to show you which way would be the best area to go to. Because they changed it up a little bit, I heard, this year. So pretty cool. That is pretty cool. But if that's the location, then Peacock Bar cannot be there. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. There's just rumors. Hasn't been anything that's been confirmed yet, but we will see. There's definitely bars up behind there though for a reason. So something's going to be there. This still gets me, man. The Brazen Bull. I wonder if there's gonna actually be somebody inside there. That is awesome. That is awesome. Check this out, guys. The Ghostbusters food cart looks even better at night. This place is lit up. Wow. This glare is killing me because it's so bright, but this is awesome. And one thing I haven't pointed out before, look at this design. This design right here, pretty damn cool. I can't wait to see what type of food they'll have here. And this is what Twisted Taters look like at night. These menus are killing my camera right now. But look at the eyes. Here's a better image of the eyes, how lit up it is. Pretty cool. Well, guys, that will be it for today's video. We saw a lot. This was probably the biggest update I've had so far. I mean, they went crazy with the decorations and the props and the construction. I have a feeling there's gonna be even more because HHN is literally in 2 weeks. 2 weeks. I can't wait. I'm excited. Can't wait for Premium Screen Night, but I hope I see some of you guys there. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead, smash that like button, share, and most importantly, subscribe. And you guys have a blessed night. See you.